Okay, Mills, what are you doing?
Find the helicopter.
You count it off.
Do you count it down?
Ready? Do it again.
1, 2, 3.
Careful. Wow!
Dad got a little confused.
Dad got crazy.
Okay. Hold it open palm. Hold it up in there. Count it.
1, 2, 3.
It's okay.
You're okay.
I'm right here, bub.
You want to hold it?
I want to do it like that.
Well, I don't think that would be a good idea. Just hold it in your palm.
On your palm, honey.
Yep. Perfect.
Okay, now lift it up.
1, 2, 3.
Open your hand. Yep. Count it.
1, 2, 3. That really scared me.
Did it scare you? I didn't want it to.